People, it's Ken Jackson here. Welcome to the fourth dimension. I hope you guys are doing well. If you want to know why I haven't really been uploading car reviews like that, look at that sun. Oh my God. It's like you walk outside and almost catch on fire. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing great and all this other stuff around this virus and being unemployed, and stay safe out there. Check on your family and everything. Make sure you let your loved ones know that you love them. I want to make this video real quick. I bought this Stark, I think, whatever. It's a power light. It's a light bar. Yes, it's kind of like a Knight Rider. I wanted to make this video because I went ahead and bought it, but I did not know how to install it. I wanted to be as safe as possible, but the videos that I saw didn't do much explaining. It didn't do much explaining on the installation. One guy was like, yeah, I watched all the videos, but they didn't show the wiring, so I'm going to show the wiring. But he didn't show the wiring, but I'm going to show the wiring. So this is what the box is going to look like. It's going to have your receipt in here. You get it off Amazon for about $30. It's going to have the receipt. It's going to be in Chinese. You can see it's translated, but it's more like a Google Translate. And Google does the best that they can when they translate it, so it's kind of awkward trying to read it. But it doesn't have installation. It just shows you. It doesn't have proper installation. It's just telling you stuff. I don't have the green line hooked up. I have it hooked up. I'm going to show you guys real quick. But it comes with a remote. It comes with a bar. It's going to have a receipt in here for whatever reason. Shipping address and all that. Let me walk you guys to the bar real quick. As you know, this is my boo Ilaria. This is the remote you're going to be getting. Different letters is going to be, like it explains it on the box. So D is to turn the lights on and off. I have my light right here. I did like a little quick fix. I didn't use zip ties or anything like that. I wedged it between the grill because it's such a tight squeeze, and I put double-sided tape up in there to make sure it stays. It's been raining, it's been staying, so since it was $30, I don't know how long it's gonna last. I don't expect it to last that long. That's why I used the double-sided tape, and I kind of wedged it in there, and it is uneven. Like I said, I want to see how long it's gonna last before I commit to it. But it's been about a month now. Let me show you the wires. This is my battery. Mind you, I have an amp hooked up to this. So what I did was I took some electrical tape. I took the black wire and the red wire that came with it, and I tied it to the open ends of the cables. You know how you got this black tip right here, and once you get right here to the, what do you call this? I forgot what you call this part. Anyway, you have exposed wiring right here, but it's not dangerous wiring or whatever. So I connected the black one to that one, connected the red one to this one. This one was a little bit easier since I have the amp and it's like a different cable hooked up to it. And I wrapped it around in some electrical tape. It hasn't moved. It's been fine. I have the box down here. I can barely see on the camera because the sun is in the way. But I had the box down there right next to the fuse for the amp. By amp, I mean my stereo system. So you guys don't have to worry about that if you have factory system or whatever. Anyway, the box is down there. It has the yellow and the green wire in there, but it's not connected to anything because I don't need the turn signals and all that. But you have D to cut it on. Right now that's purple. I know it's hard to see because there's sun. Boy. Yeah, it's so hot out there. I had to back the car into the garage, man. Oh boy. Anyway, y'all should be able to see a little bit better. We got different patterns. We got different colors. Like I said, D is gonna turn it on. And B is gonna change the colors. We got green. We got light blue. We got kind of a white color, more like ice blue. We got red. But you don't want to use that. We got kind of like orange. It's very hard to tell, I know. Darker green. We got dark blue. You don't want to use. We got light purple. Go back to green. So the colors I try and stay away from is the red and blue, but I have used them before. You even had the police lights on here. So A is gonna change the order and stuff where the lights. It'll change like the pattern, the formation of the lights. There's like a bunch of different settings you can go through. I like trying to use the ice blue, but there is one where it actually has the police like red and blue lighting up. There's a bunch of different formations and patterns you can go through. This does work while you're sitting in the car. I'm gonna say it works when you're about 10 feet away, maybe up to 20 feet away. I'm trying to see if I can find I like that one too. It just goes through the colors. That's the one you don't want to use. Pretending to be a cop. You cannot. I wish you could change the colors on this one. I'm pressing B, but you can't. You can change the speed of things by pressing A. And I actually like this one, but you can't. I can't use that one down here. I'm not trying to get pulled over. Switch sides. You can use that one, I think. This one, I would like to use this one. I can't use this one either. I think I'm gonna leave it on this one though. This one might get you in trouble, but I'm gonna leave it on here. But there's, like I said, there's a bunch of different patterns you can go through. For $30, easy installation. Just hook 2 wires up, find wherever you want to put it at, and hook the remote onto your key fob or your keychain, and you're good to go. I use it if I go to work early in the morning. I turn it off. Once I lock the car, I also turn the light off, and it's not going to drain your battery. It uses so little power. I've left it, I turn it off every time I get out of the car, right? But I do not lose any battery. The car starts right up. It doesn't struggle or anything. It's not like it's killing your battery or anything like that. Mind you, the amp is hooked up and the light bar is hooked up, but the car always starts up. So it's real easy to hook up, real easy to use. It's kind of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped some people out. It's very simple wiring, like I said. Red to red, black to black. Use some electrical tape. Find out where you want to put the light bar. That's it. No cutting holes, no anything like that. All the extra stuff I've seen in the other videos. Nah, I just went ahead and tried it. I wasn't learning anything from those guys. Well, there's a few I learned something from. So thank you to them, and thank you guys for watching.